Okay, let's talk about this very first problem on our check-in. So we're trying to determine if S sub 1 is true given this formula. So to find S sub 1, what we're asking is, does this formula give us the same thing as if we were to just plug in 1 and find the first term, which is given by n cubed? So really what we're asking is 1 cubed equal, I'm going to say this is going to lead us to this, is 1 cubed equal to what we would get if we plug in 1 into the formula in the box. So really, is 1 cubed equal to, so we would have 1 times, or 1 squared is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2 over 4. So 1 cubed we know is 1. So is 1 equal to, okay, so now we've got 2 squared, which is 4, times 1, which is 4. So we really have 4 over 4. So is 1 equal to 1? Yep, sure is. So what we know now is that S sub 1 is true. So our answer here would be yes.